Hi guys! For today's video, andito tayo sa Smart Araneta Coliseum dahil tayo ay manunood ng finals ng Meralco Bolts and San Miguel Beermen Game 1 ng finals. So, mamaya guys, papakita ko sa inyo kapag nasa loob na tayo.
One team is looking to seize its 30th NBA trophy. The other is looking for its first. Which team will punctuate the season with a crown? Now it's time to meet the guests of this momentous championship series. They are in their first ever Philippine Cup Finals in franchise history and are looking for their first PBA title. Your Meralco Bulls!
Will be marching into the final. Ball break crossover. Nanaya, I will work. Yusuf gets behind the field.
Team action in its first PBA finals from San Juan, number 4, Chicotario. Playing in his second PBA finals from Davao City, number 23, Elvin Pasao. Coming into his third PBA finals from Cebu, number 24, Ray Bar Jose. A product of the PBA 3x3 from Manila, number 10, Cholo Mendoza. The 8th overall pick in the 2015 PBA draft from Alumni Bulacan, number 29, Norbert Torres. And the 2017 Commissioner's Cup Best Player of the Conference. He is also an Asian Games gold medalist and now a playing assistant coach from La Paz State, number 6, Chris Ross. This Phoenix veteran is currently ranked third in all-time most three-quarter state in league history. He's also playing in his 14th finals and eyeing his 11th championship. From Ilocos Sur, number 13, Super Mushu Listener. This three-time PBA scoring champion and former Finals MVP has become a key piece to SMP's title defense. From Imus Cavite, number 7, Terrence Rubio. This 2016 Commissioner's Cup champion joined the team this season and immediately became a key ingredient to their Commissioner's Cup title. And he helped the team defend their Philippine Cup crown. From King Moto, Patantuanes, number 2, Don Romero. A two-time scoring champion, 2019 All-Defensive Team member, and Asian Games gold medalist. He was also NASCAR versus Best Player and Finals MVP. Good and even greater athlete be on the horizon. From Bautista, Pangasinan, number 77, the Predator, CJ Peters. And last But not the least, he is a 7-time most valuable player, 9-time best player of the conference, 6-time all-defensive team member, 10-time PBA champion, and Asian Games gold medalist. From Pinataob, Cebu, number 15, the Kraken, Junior Ferreira.
Make some noise! Palalaman naman mga kabibig, ready na tayo para sa 14th season PBA Philippine Cup Finals Best of 7 series between your Beermen versus your Meralco. My name is MC Cholo para po sa ating PBA game experience. At bago tayo magsimula mga kabibig, gawin muna natin ang ating mga usual na ginagawa dito.
Foul on number 28 on Alpazan. That's his first foul, 1 on the box. Two free throws for Junior Fajardo. Holding foul on number 13, Marshall Lesser. That's his first foul, 1 on the Beermen. Shot clock at 14 seconds. Pushing foul on number 11, Chris Newsom.
Ano pa yan? Foul
Foul
ulit?
on number 11, Chris Newsom. That's his second foul, 3 on the box.
Ayan,
Shot clock at 14 seconds.
nakadalawa kaagad.
Substitution, late number 2 for Chris Newsom.
Liliit kasi ng Meralco eh. Wow! Bayan.
Is brought to us by a wonderful our official sports channel radio. Substitution, late number 6 for Pinataob.
Bakit nilabas yan?
Ladies and gentlemen, there's a charge on the pole by the alpha on the last alpha box play. All players please proceed to the shaded area in front of their respective benches. Both teams are advised to observe proper bench decorum. Pushing foul number 32, Kyle Pasquale, as his first foul. Substitutions, Simon and Cecil for Chris Ross, or Quinto for Chris Newsom. Control wrestler, Woody. For the winner, the Meralco Bulls! 7 final series, one of the games of the night.
Bro, kumalas ka.
PBA player shoutout. I'm here with Brandon Bates of your Meralco.
So guys, hanggang dito lang tayo. See you in my next vlog. Bye mga Lucky Angels. Bye!